In our previous class, we discussed the topic of double-entry bookkeeping. In today's class, we will discuss the topic Introduction to Keyboarding. Keyboarding is typing on a keyboard, used for both typewriters and computers, often resulting in hard copies. Keyboards enable communication. Before typewriters, messages were manually written on stone, leather, and paper until the 1829 typewriter invention. A typewriter is a machine that prints letters on paper using keys. When these keys are pressed, they create impressions on paper through an ink-laden ribbon. Typewriters are valuable office equipment. Importance of keyboarding skills. 1. Keyboarding skills are essential as they expedite the creation of handwritten materials for personal and professional purposes. 2. Typing personal documents can save a substantial amount of money and ensure their confidentiality. 3. Proficient keyboarding skills enhance a person's ability to communicate effectively with others. 4. Good keyboarding skills open up employment opportunities as businesses seek competent keyboard operators. 5. Keyboards are the primary means of inputting information into computers. Essential parts of a typewriter. The fundamental components of a typewriter include 1. Carriage, the movable part of the typewriter that advances by the width of a letter with each key or spacebar press. 2. Carriage return lever and line spacer, used to return the carriage to the beginning of a line. 3. Cylinder, platen, roller, a roller around which the paper is held. 4. Cylinder knobs, left and right, used to position the paper upward or downward. 5. Carriage release lever, left and right, depressed to allow free movement of the carriage. 6. Line space gauge or regulator, regulates line spacing depth. 7. Margin stop, left and right, fix the starting and ending points of typewritten lines. 8. Paper guide, an adjustable guide for positioning the paper's left-hand edge. 9. Paper table, supports the typing sheet and prevents slippage. 10. Paper bail bar with scale, a movable arm with a typing scale for paper guidance. 11. Backspace key, backspacer, moves the carriage backward or provides space. 12. Roller on paper bail, rubber rollers guiding the paper on the platen. 13. Paper release lever, moves feed rollers away from the platen. 14. Space bar, provides accurate spacing between words. 15. Printing point, where the key strikes the ribbon to imprint on paper. 16. Tabulator bar, used for regulating spacing, especially in documents with vertical and horizontal lines. 17. Margin release key, allows typing beyond the set margin points at the line's ends. Care of typewriter. Proper care and maintenance are essential for keeping a typewriter in good working condition. The following guidelines should be followed. 1. Keep the typewriter stationary on a spacious table in the office and avoid frequent moving. 2. Clean the typeface daily and dust the machine regularly. 3. Cover the typewriter when not in use to prevent dust accumulation. 4. Call in an expert for repairs when the machine malfunctions. 5. Use a backing sheet to protect the platen from damage. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.